Ordering food at a restaurant might seem simple, but do you know how to do it naturally and politely in English? No worries, I'll walk you through a natural restaurant conversation step by step. Let's begin.
Good evening. Welcome to the Willow Bistro. How many people are in your party?
Good evening. A table for two, please?
Would you prefer a table by the window or in the main dining area?
In the main dining area, please.
Of course. Right this way. Here's your table. Your server will be with you shortly. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Did you notice? The customer says, "A table for two, please." That's the most natural way to ask for a table.
Good evening. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Would you like still or sparkling water?
Still, please.
And for you?
I'd like an iced tea, please.
Great choice. I'll be right back with your drinks.
Politeness goes a long way when ordering. A simple please makes your request sound friendly and natural.
Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled salmon with roasted vegetables, please.
Would you like anything on the side?
Yes, I'll have the mushroom soup on the side, please.
Lovely choice.
Did you catch that? Saying, "I'll have" or "I'd like" makes your order sound more natural than just saying the food name. It's also polite.
Does the mushroom soup contain any dairy?
Yes, it has cream, but we do have a dairy-free version available.
Great, I'll go with the dairy-free version then, thank you.
Of course. I'll make a note of that.
If you have dietary restrictions, you can ask, "Does this contain?" or request changes by saying, "Do you have a dairy-free or gluten-free option?" It's a polite and clear way to ensure your meal suits your needs.
And for you?
It all looks wonderful. I haven't quite decided yet.
No problem at all. Take your time, and let me know if you'd like any recommendations.
Actually, I'd love a recommendation. What would you suggest?
Our chef's special today is the grilled lamb chops with garlic butter, served with roasted seasonal vegetables. They're a favorite among our regulars.
That does sound lovely. I'll have that, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like a side with that?
No, thank you. That will be all.
I'll get that started for you.
If you're unsure what to order, just ask, "What would you recommend?" It's a great way to get advice from the server.
Did you enjoy everything?
Yes, it was wonderful.
Great. Can I get you anything else?
No, just the bill, please.
Of course. I'll be right back.
To ask for the bill, say, "Can I get the bill, please?" This is the most common way to say it in British English. In American English, people usually say, "Can I get the check, please?" instead. And that's how you confidently order food at a restaurant. Try practicing these phrases so you feel ready for your next meal out. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite dish to order? And don't forget to subscribe for more English tips. See you next time.